Okay, Google says there's a road up here. We might get arrested. So it looks like a house to me, but still, let's have a look. Hey, look at that. It's not a road, but it's a track. Well, there's worse places to be dropped off on a bus. Little beach there. Heading along the road here. And then up that little road, I think. Better check the map before Sarah goes too far up there. I'll get told off. Hi, it's Aaron here. To be honest, we'd never heard of the island of Syros, but here we are exploring it. In this video, we'll briefly show you how we got here, and then you can join us to have a look around the local area where we're staying. We're on the Sea-Jet fast ferry heading from Naxos to Syros, and it's very rocky. I'm not drunk, honest. That's our ferry going again already. They don't stop long. We arrived into the main town of Umapuli on Syros, that's the capital. We're actually staying in a town called Finikas, which you'll see in the bottom left of this map, and there's a public bus that gets you here. This is our first morning walk here in Syros. We're heading just down the road from our apartment to Poseidonia, which is the next little village you can see. You can see a church maybe in the distance. Church tower sticking up, I think that's where we're going. And then we'll hopefully come back beside the beach down there, check that out as well. We seem to be surrounded by beautiful olive groves. You can see it's windy again. We're certainly in the country here. Look how laden they are with olives. Real healthy looking trees. Young ones too, not very old the trees. I think we're turning right here. Nope, that's someone's house. There's some big houses here. Maybe it wasn't a driveway. The map says it's a road. We're going for a closer look. Yep, it was a road. Google Maps was right. Well, we've ended up back around at the beach road anyway. Google suggests we missed a road, so we're going back to have another look. There should be a road to the side here that takes us up into the village, rather than back out to the beach. Okay, Google says there's a road up here. We might get arrested. So it looks like a house to me, but still, let's have a look. Hey, look at that. It's not a road, but it's a track. It takes us to a road. Very windy again today. Seems to be common on the Greek islands. Hopefully that dog's inside. Oh, we've got more dogs barking at us, and a cat keeping watch. Beautiful bougainvillea there. I think we're going to come to a main road now. Yep, main road. And that looks like a bus stop. Oh, nice shady wee street. Crikey, it's a mansion there. Some big houses around here. We've even got a footpath. Beautifully paved footpath. Look at the size of that place. That's stunning. It's got its own turret. Another turret up there. So I think the other turrets must be something quite official, like an actual castle, because that's super cool looking. Let's see if we can find some signage in a minute. Well, we couldn't find out what that place was back there, but we'll do some googling later. There's another beautiful place over there. Must be a very wealthy area. Wow, look at those flowers. So there's the beach over there. On the left is, I'm guessing, a church we're going to go to in the village on the way back. Another beautiful bougainvillea here. Just show you around the places on the hill here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at those trees in that place. Amazing. Spotted this pretty blue church at the end of the street there. We don't think this one's a house. Super beautiful. The place we just went past before is an old mansion that's been renovated, taken over by the state and the European Union. Oh, certainly off the beaten path again. Thought we were just taking a short walkway onto another road, but perhaps the other road was a walkway. Oh, we found our road now. Come back up onto the top of the hill. We found our way to this church, but it's not the thing with the big tower, so let's see if we can find that in a second. Well, we can't see the tower up that way, so we're going to go down this way and have a look. Well, we found the tower. It was at the back of the church. We couldn't get anywhere close to it. See if we can get any closer to it down this way. Yeah, it's a bell tower at the back of the church. This is as close as we can get. Still trying to find our way out of here. I think this might be the way. Ah, that's the main road. This is Vulgari Beach. Our apartment's kind of straight ahead about now. Don't know if you can see it quite. Pop down and have a quick look at the swimming platform. It's one of the first public beaches we've seen that has public umbrellas, which is great. Don't have to rent one. That water looks pretty clear. Still a bit too early for there to be too many people on the beach. I don't think it'll ever be very crowded. Not in September. One person there. Beautiful spot. This is the main waterfront, street front area of Finikas. supermarket's just behind me. Hopefully there's the supermarket. I'm looking for a bakery somewhere along here. So we found the bakery. It's very nice, just in there. I think that's the end of this morning's walk. We're on our way back to the apartment now. Just got to stop in and get some water from the supermarket, and then we're done. The rest of the day I think will be beach time, pool time, a bit of reading. Should be beautiful. Nice and relaxing day. Tomorrow we'll go into the main town, have a look around there. And we're here. This is us, Regina. Okay, quick video tour of the apartment in Syros. This is near Finikas. So we've got an outdoor dining sitting area, quite nice. Right near the pool. It's not very big, but I thought it's quite nice. I'll show you. There's a big bed, little TV, quite a large bed, very nice. Plenty of room over here for our bags, little desk, little dining table there. We'll probably sit outside. And fridge, double hot plate, which we found generally is enough to cook on. Air conditioning up there. And then a little bathroom. That's us in Syros.